Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to take your shifter assembly out of your Chrysler Sebring or Chrysler 200. I think this will even work on the Avenger. If you like the video, after you see it, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to do that. It'll show YouTube that I'm doing a good job. Let's get right to the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like it too. Don't worry, if you need to check out my video on removing the console, you can do that by clicking the right card. It's going to be the top right-hand corner, right up there. So you don't necessarily have, well, you probably have to take this off because this probably won't be included if you bought a new shifter, although you're probably getting one used somewhere. Show you how to do that anyway, just a couple tabs. Flat screwdriver will get them out. May also have to, if maybe you're not taking this out, but you need to access your illumination light for what gear you're in. There's the bulb right there. Take this piece off. If you need to take the bulb out, which you don't necessarily, I'll take it out just to show you. Because this wire is going to go under this white piece that I'm going to remove here. Although, again, you may not have to take it out. This you'll have to unhook. This connector is just flat screwdriver and it should pop out. I'll give it another push there. There you go. This has just got a couple little tabs again, same idea. Flat screwdriver. Give it a little pry up. I believe 4 tabs. This will come out. There you go. I'll show you from the other side, passenger side. There's 4 bolts. I think they're 10 millimeters. Have to take them off. I'm showing you from the passenger side. I also did a video on how to get this out of gear if you ever get stuck somewhere. Take a look at the right-hand corner. There'll be a card there you can click on. Now this is for the interlock, this cable. There's just a little piece there you can unclip. And then if you look right where the arrow is right there, you'll see where the actual cable is. You just push it back towards the back seat, and it should come out. And there's that bulb again. This time I didn't take it out, but you can unplug it. Either way, you're going to have to unplug it. Move that out of the way. There's also one down at the bottom here. I believe that's for your handbrake. Little click thing in the middle there. Little button. And that comes out, and then this whole piece, well, oh, I got one more bolt. Should have had all 4 of them out. So undo them, and don't lose it. And this whole unit should just pop out, except now we have the cable for the actual gear shifter itself. Now you may want to play around with it just to see if it's binding or not. And you'll see these pink, there's, here we'll flip it back on its side. There's a couple of little pink pieces that you have to press together. There's that one. You have to push it back to unlock it. And then there's one by my right thumb. On this side, you'll have to push it down. And then that'll go out of gear. I'm actually flipping it with one of my little fingers on my right hand. And then at the front here, you'll see we've got a clip that holds the cable actually for what gear it's in that goes to your transmission. That just clicks out. Now you'll just need your flat screwdriver again. We're going to pry right here. You can see where it's clipped onto that ball. Easy to do from underneath. Just spread it apart. Maybe twist the screwdriver, maybe that'll help. It's a little bit of it will come off. Might have to play around a little bit with it. You get it at the right angle. Sorry I'm taking so long. Try to move it in a different gear so that it's a little further away. Whichever way you feel is better. Do you want in a little further or out? Yeah, it should pop out.
Oh, there we go.
A little fiddly. And that's the unit, and it's out. Now, you just reverse the process if you have a new shifter assembly. You want to put that cable back on there. A little ball that's sticking out. You should just click back on. It's a little tight. Obviously, it's not supposed to fall off, so. And you'll see it doesn't sit the way you think it should. I was thinking, does it go to the right or go to the left? I don't think it really matters. I just didn't want it binding. So try and put that cable back on. It goes over the top like this. And I'll show you. It should just clip on. There you go. That was easier than coming off. Now you want to click that connector back that's holding that cable in there. Because I was trying to piece this together, I had done something else to the car, and it's like, oh, I should use this footage to show you how to do it. No, I should just click down. I don't have actual footage of it. Sorry, but you'll figure it out. Now, this is adjustable. I don't know if you want to play around with that or not. The white piece, it has a length adjustment. I don't show you me fiddling with it, but I did fiddle with it. You know me. I had to. But basically, and it might be easier to put it into one of the gears. You have to flip those couple of plastic pink pieces, one on the left, one on the right, and it'll go out of gear. Easier with two people. So you take the cable and you pull it as far to, well, I'm showing you from a side, but it'll be towards the back. It's to the right on this picture, and then down, and it's got a little knob that's on the end of the cable, and it'll just hold in there. Then you want to put that, you can see it actually moving there, cable, clip the connector back in, and then put everything back together. The dust shield and this part in there. Easy enough. If you want more videos on this vehicle, just go to the card, the top right hand corner, or just wait till the very end of the video. Please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Come on the Sebring, and I'm pretty sure it's the same on the Dodge Avenger. Take a look. There's also a video that shows, no, don't want to do that. Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to be taking apart a shifter or